So guys, tuturuan ko si Lola guys kasi hindi pa siya marunong. So ito lang yung pagtuturo guys. Okay, magaling na si Luna guys. Si Lola na naman. Okay, Lola? May pagkain ako guys. Ipaamoy ko sa kanya. Yan. Come here. Ilagay ko yung toys sa... Ilagay ko yung toys. Pick. Pick a toys. Pick a toys. Pick. No, Luna, wait. Okay, Lola, pick a toys. Pick a toys. Lola, pick a toys. Come on. So Luna naman. Luna na talaga. Oh, Lola, pick a toys. Come here. Pick a toys, come here. Pick a toys, come here. You pick a toys. Come on, pick. Come on, Lola. Pick a toys. Come on. You pick a toys. Come on. Pick a toys. Yeah. Come here. Pick a toys. Okay, come here. Hold. Come here. Come here. Hold. Come here. Hold. Put sa basket. Ganyan lang, guys. Okay, sa basket. Pick. Inside the basket. Yeah. Ang hirap, guys, kasi si Luna marunong na tapos nagmamagaling na siya. Si Lola kasi hindi pa gaano, kaya siya ang ititrain natin. Okay, Lola? Okay, ito lang guys ha. Uulitin ko. Lola, come here. Okay, Lola, may food ako guys. Come here. May food ako. Ipaamoy ko sa kanya. Come here. Okay. Food. Yeah. Oh, Lola, come here. Lola, come here. Okay, pick a toys. Come on, pick a toys. Come here. Pick a toys. Come here. Hold. Come here. Hold. Come here. Hold. Inside the basket. Si Luna talaga guys. Oo, magaling na kasi. Later ka na, darling. Okay, hold toys. Inside the basket. Yeah! Ang hirap kasi guys. Kasi si Luna. Nagmamagaling na kasi si Luna eh. Hindi mamaya ka na kasi. Luna, look at me. You have to wait. Okay, I know. You are good. But Lola is not even learning. You have to wait, okay? Okay, one more time. Okay, Lola, come here. Amuin ang pagkain. Come here. Go. Pick a toys, come on. Pick a toys, darling. Pick a toys. Yeah, come here, pick a toys. Yeah, hold. Come here. Inside the basket. Yeah! Ganun lang guys ha. Ang hirap. Medyo matagal, mabagal, pero magaling si Luna. The best Luna pag tinuturuan.